In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Asana, a versatile project management tool. At the heart of any thriving business is its CRM, or customer relationship management system, but sometimes the choices are either expensive or overcomplicated for certain needs. Fortunately, with Asana, you can design a custom-fit CRM system that perfectly aligns with your specific requirements, offering flexibility and ease of use. To begin, let's start by setting up a new project in Asana specifically for your CRM needs. Open Asana and click the Create Project button. You can find this option in the top bar of your Asana dashboard. Assign a name that makes it recognizable at a glance, such as Customer Management or Sales Pipeline. It's all about what aligns best with your organizational goals. Once the project is set up, choose a board layout. This format offers a visual perspective similar to a Kanban board, which really helps in seeing leads move through stages visually. Next, it's time to customize your board. Add columns to reflect each stage of your customer lifecycle. Common stages include new lead, contacted, interested, follow-up needed, and closed. If your sales methodology is more complex, just add or adjust columns to reflect your exact process. Remember that these stages don't have to be set in stone. You can always tweak them as your business evolves. Now, we'll want to customize tasks for each potential customer or company. Click on a new task and enter details like contact information and relevant notes in the description section, making each card a comprehensive file on that lead. Use custom fields to add specific data points like lead source or priority level, which give your team deeper insight into every customer interaction. For better time management and to ensure consistent follow-up, make full use of Asana's due dates and reminder features. Assign tasks to team members so everyone knows who owns which lead. This transparency fosters accountability and helps maintain an efficient workflow. As your team works through these tasks, remember the importance of updating each task's progress. Moving tasks through the columns as each stage is completed reflects real-time changes and updates, ensuring everyone's on the same page. To enhance collaboration, pin comments and notes regarding client conversations directly within each task. Asana supports file uploads, so attaching useful documents or essential contracts is as straightforward as a click. Once a lead is either closed or lost, archive the task. Archiving keeps your board uncluttered while safely storing past information for future referral or analysis. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully laid the groundwork for a functional CRM in Asana. Take advantage of Asana's reporting tools to track team progress and see real improvements in your customer management strategy. With your new CRM, you can drive better results and foster stronger customer connections. That's the magic of transforming Asana into a true powerhouse for your team. Happy organizing!